Hello guys, watch the video until the end. We congratulate Manny Pacquiao and Renz Abando. Byeon Junyong in the house and Abando. My boy, Byeon Junyong. Oh, my boy talaga. Hindi, magaling yan eh. Saka gwapo. Opa yan eh, Opa. Si Opa Renz nasa likod. So, Opa Lakay Renz Abando is returning to KBL this 2025-2026 season. He is returning to his Anyang JKJ Red Booster team. Lakay Renz. Bro, malapit na birthday ko. Kids, okay lang pang vlog.
Sige.
Ayan kuya, ito isang family sumuporta kay Lakay Renz. Ayan. Kompleto sila, may clapper, may bola. Magkano yung kantong bola ang cute? Naku. Hello, cool.
Tatabawat. Wow.
Nice.